Hello everyone! Are you wondering what demisexual means? Let's explore. Demisexual refers to someone who only experiences sexual attraction after forming a strong emotional bond with another person. Unlike those who may feel sexual attraction based on physical appearance or initial interaction, demisexual individuals require a deep connection, such as trust, understanding, or love, before they develop sexual feelings. This orientation falls within the broader asexual spectrum, where sexual attraction is conditional and not as immediate or frequent. For demisexual people, emotional intimacy is a prerequisite for sexual attraction, making their relationships deeply rooted in emotional connections. In essence, being demisexual is about valuing emotional bonds as the foundation for sexual attraction, where the depth of the relationship significantly influences the experience of desire. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.